Hello, awesome people. So today I'm going to show you how to add sessions to your form. So you'll come in the page builder and scroll to the part that you want to add your sessions to. Under financial information, you'll find sessions. Go ahead and click sessions. You can change the label to say classes or schedule, whatever you wish to make that. You can require the session or not. You can turn on financial information, so with it on, you'll see the price. If you turn that off, price goes away. Multiple selections means that as a ticket buyer, I can come onto the page, select as many sessions as I'd like. With that turned off, then you'll limit them to only choosing one session. You can change the session name and write a description. You can add an image. So for this example, we'll just put speakers within our images. And then we're going to add a price per session. And then fill in inventory. Inventory means I want to limit as many people as I fill in here, so 50. I want to limit this session to only 50 people to be able to choose that session. We'll put 30 here, and only 40 people can attend the session 3. So we'll click done, and then we'll save our changes made. And then before publishing, let's preview that so that we make sure that it's everything we want it to be. So as a ticket buyer, I'm going to come in, choose my ticket, and then scroll, and then attend each session. Now, because we have multiple selection turned on, I can choose as many sessions as I like, or just choose one. And that is how you add sessions to your form.